Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Sri Spoken English. This is Srinivas and this video lesson is 99. Friends, don't waste your time and my dear students, and please use these preparation holidays for improve your score in our subject English. Yes, let us be start. I am here today to present another masterpiece of writing discourse, that is letter writing. Friends, I would like to mention one thing here. That is, a letter writing is not only most important for the examination point of view, it is the most important writing discourse in our daily life. If we want to write a letter to the officials like district collector, sub inspector or mandal revenue officer, or at least the headmaster or the principal of a educational institution, definitely we have to know how to write a letter and what are the parts of a letter. And definitely I am here to explain all these things about the letter writing. And don't miss this video, try to watch this video till the end. After that you will develop lot of confidence in writing a letter. Yes, let us start. Friends and teachers, we know very well this is the letter writing for our state board syllabus of Andhra Pradesh. We know 10th class English paper 2. This question comes under the question number 26A, 5 marks. So don't miss these 5 marks, because if you want to get 10 by 10 GPA in English, definitely this carries a most important part. Yes, let us start. Letter writing. What is letter writing? What is a letter? A letter is written message or printed message. And when do we write a letter? Obviously, we write a letter to person who are far away. And how do we write a letter? Well, we want to convey our message to others as clear and structural. This is most important, friends. Your letter writing should be very clear and structural. That means it should includes all the structural parts. Yes. And we can move to the another most important slide, that is types of letters. Broadly we know, friends, the types of letters. Broadly we know two types of letters, personal and official letters. Of course, that is first one, personal letters or informal letters, and the second one, business letters. Of course, this second category included these two, business letters and official letters. Well, to whom we are going to write personal letters? Yes, friends, parents and relatives. Friends, to all kind of friends we may write these personal letters. Parents include, yes, that means to mother, father we may write. And business letters, to whom we are writing? Yes, to the companies and organizations, traders, firms, to all kind of these aspects we may write the business letters. And official letters, yes, we know very well, to all the government officials, as well newspaper editors, head of the institutions. For example, if you want to write a complaint letter about a theft of your bike or bicycle, we want to write a complaint letter to the sub inspector of police. That should be, yes, government official. And if you want to write to the district collector to represent a complaint regarding your location, definitely, yes, these are all letters comes under the official letters. So friends, if you want to write to apply a transfer certificate from your educational institution, definitely we have to write to the headmaster or principal. So friends, these are the types of letters broadly. Yes, we can move on to the next slide. Another important slide here, format of a letter. And we should know what are the parts included in a letter. Yes, we know very well personal and official. And first of all, we have to take the personal letter and what are the parts included. How many parts here? Generally for both letters included 5 parts only. What are the first one? Heading. This heading includes the station name and the date, and the station name should be capital. The first letter should start with capital, and after the last letter we may keep comma here, and the date should be like in this format only. Don't make obliques between the date, friends. Yeah, 8th May 2020. Yes, what is the second part of a letter? This is so called salutation or address. Addressing the addressee. Dear father, dear mother, my dear friend, dear Ramu, like this. And the third part of a letter, that is nothing but body of the letter. And it may includes 2 or 3 meaningful paragraphs which contains the total message of a letter, and it should be very clear, legible and affectionately, because it is a personal letter. We can write this letter to our parents, friends and relatives. It should be affectionately. And next, fourth one, yes, it is called subscription. Subscription means a complimentary closing. For example, if you want to write a letter to your parent, yours lovingly, yours affectionately, like that. And last one, superscription, that is address of the receiver. This is called superscription, address of the receiver. Yes. So these are the 5 parts included in your personal letter. As well in official letters also, we may find 5 parts, but here the first part should start the heading part as well as personal letter. And be careful while writing the heading part, the station name, that means your village or city name, should start with the capital letter, ends with the comma, and you may include the date like this. And the second one, salutation. And this, before the salutation there is a change here. Before the salutation, this 5th part in personal letter should write as a second part in the official letter. So please be careful, friends. If you want to address to the principal, to the sub-inspector, so this we can include in a token of respect before their designations. Sub-inspector, the collector, the district collector, the newspaper editor, like this we may include the superscription, and the total address also we can include here. Next, we may write the salutation. For example, it is don't confuse, friends, it is official letter, so your salutation should be very respectful. Sir, respected sir, ma'am, respected ma'am, like this. And next, 4th part, obviously body of the letter. Yes, this may include 2 or 3 paragraphs in a respectful manner. And next, last part of that, subscription or closing, complimentary closing. It should be very respectfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, like that. And friends, if you are a student in examination, you may don't write your name, you just include like this, into. Okay, so friends, don't confuse. This is a clear definition and clear differentiation between personal letter and official letter. Yes. Now we will get one example. In the examination point of view, you may get such type of questions. You have recently been benefited by the Amavadi scheme being implemented by the government of Andhra Pradesh. Now write a letter to your friend expressing your feelings about the scheme. So friends, be careful, and this is a burning topic and current present situation regarding the government schools and of Andhra Pradesh government, so that we may expect this is important question. You can note down all the important points, and I wish you all the best to get the 5 out of 5 marks regarding this letter writing. Yes, we may start with the heading like the station name, Nellore, 8th May 2020. And the second part, Dear Sidhu, this is salutation. It should be affectionately because it is personal letter. We may affectionately address, and the body of the letter starts like here. I'm doing extremely well. How about you? Hope you are getting ready to take the public exams well. In this letter, I would like to share my views with you on the Amavadi scheme being implemented in our state. Sidhu, as we all know, Amavadi is a welfare scheme launched by our beloved Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. It is one of the Navaratnas. It provides a financial assistance of 15,000 rupees to each mother who sends her child to school regularly. The scheme is applicable to all the children studying in class from 1st class to 12th class in government as well as recognized private schools. The aim of the Amavadi scheme is to promote education among the children and to reduce dropouts from schools because of the financial problems. We should all be happy that about 43 lakh children have been benefited by this scheme this year. We should be proud that Amavadi is the first of its kind in the whole country. Undoubtedly, this unique scheme is a boon to the below poverty line students. Irrespective of their castes and communities, I have availed this scheme. Hope you too. Please convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to your near and dear. Awaiting your early reply. So we can conclude a complimentary conclusion here. Yours lovingly. This is called subscription, and you can, yes, you may not include your name in the public examinations. You can write like this into. So this is a prescribed and structural format of a personal letter. So friends and dear students, please be careful and write down all these important points to get a full marks regarding the letter writing. Yes, let us move another important letter writing. What is that? The second question. We can get another important letter. Write a letter of complaint to the inspector of police about the theft, describing your bicycle, of course motorbike. And friends, tell me whether it is personal letter or official letter. Yes, obviously it is official letter. See, how do we write that? And we may include the heading part including the station name and date. Yes, of course. And here, don't confuse, here we have to mention the from address as well as to address. That means superscription also we can include here. The inspector of police to town police station Nellore. So, and before we write the body of the letter, we can conclude the subject here. We may include the subject. Theft of the bicycle, request for recovery regarding. Yes, we may start the body of the letter here. I am very sorry to bring to your kind attention. I parked my bicycle outside the head post office. I went into it and sent a registered letter to my brother. He is residing in Amaravati. After I finished my work in the post office, I came out and found my bicycle missing. I searched all around but in vain. My bicycle is a Hero Ranger of green color. My bicycle number is E99966. Hence I request you to see that my bicycle may be traced and given back to me at my early date. I hope early action in the matter. Thanking you, sir. So like this, we may write the body of the letter, and any kind of complaint letter we can write in this manner. So last part, yours faithfully. Remember students, this is official letter. Yeah, we can conclude the subscription or complimentary closing like this, yours sincerely or yours faithfully, like this. Yes. So this is a format or a structure of a official letter. Yes. Next we move on to the another important letter. What is that? Yes, and please write down all these important letter writings, friends. Write a letter to your brother about the Republic Day, Independence Day, or school anniversary day celebration in our school. It is also one of the most important letters in writing discourse. Friends, this kind of letter will give you another most important letter writing. Yeah, in this situation we may, yes, as well as we write the heading and from date, this is your name and which class you are studying, and school and your village name. And yes, is this personal or official? This is, yeah, personal, right? You have to write your friend. This superscription may write the last part. Okay, and we can start the salutation, dear friend, my dear friend, or my dear Fayaz. Like we may start the letter writing, and here body of the letter we can write like this: I am safe here, I hope same with you, I am study well, I would like to write about the Republic Day, Independence Day, school anniversary day, any kind of occasion here, anniversary day celebration in our school. Our headmaster presided over the function. The district collector was the chief guest of the function. The chief guest hoisted the national flag and he addressed the students about the discipline and the education. Our English sir Srinivas also spoke about the importance of the day. There were cultural programs. The prizes were distributed to the winners by the chief guest. Sweets were distributed to us. The program ended with the national anthem. Convey my best regards to your parents and friends. Write me a letter soon. Yours lovingly. So we may, yes, subscription like this, lovingly, yours lovingly, yours loving friend. And we can write like this, friends. Yeah. Yes, we may start. And one more important letter writing. Write a letter to your headmaster to issue transfer certificate and other certificates to join in the college after completion of your 10th class. This is one of the most important letters we may expect in the common examinations. Yes, how do we write like this? Yes, we may include the date first, and after that the headmaster, JP High School Chintavaram. This is superscription, friends, to address. We may like this, Chilkur Mandal, Nellore district. And so after that, we may write the subject. What is about the letter? Issue of the transfer certificate and other certificates request regarding. Yeah, we may write the body part like this. I am a student of 10th class of your high school. I passed SSC public examination held in March in 10 by 10 grade with register number 18423456. Now I would like to join intermediate course in the Government Junior College, Nellore. So I request to issue me transfer certificate and conduct certificate along with the SSC marks memo given by SSC board. It is need to get admission in the intermediate course. Please issue them at the earliest. There are no dues from me to the library and the laboratory. So like that we may, yes, included the body part of the letter. Thanking you, sir. And we can write the subscription. Yours faithfully, your name included, 10th class, roll number and the school name. And the last and predominant letter writing. So in this way we can write all such a beautiful letter writing, friends. Thank you very much for your valuable time. If you like my effort, please hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed at our channel, please subscribe. Thank you, and catch you later with another interesting video. Thank you.